If you don't believe in Bitcoin, watch this video. It will change your mind. Hey and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice and we're not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head to the video. Have you given up on investing in Bitcoin? Believe it or not, you might not have considered investing in Bitcoin due to various reasons, right? The price is already high, or it's a big game to play. These are the things that you'd have on your mind. And this is why you are not thinking of playing your shot on Bitcoin. But what if we say that Bitcoin will increase its price to an all-time high of $100,000 from its present price, $39,000? No doubt, Bitcoin's price has decreased continuously in the past few months, but now it's time to rise and dominate the market. And this is the time for you to invest in it and fill your pockets with the profit it will offer. But why should you invest in Bitcoin in the first place? Why should you believe in Bitcoin as everyone else does? These are the questions that might be in your minds, and this is where we will reveal what Bitcoin has got under its bonnet. If you don't believe in Bitcoin, watch this video. It will change your mind. We're going to reveal the internal secrets of Bitcoin so that you can know its potential. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss more insightful videos from us. Let's get started with Bitcoin's price forecast. If you're an investor who loves to have eyes on the crypto market, then this single fact will be enough for you to shift your belief to Bitcoin once again. Exactly 1,100 years ago, Bitcoin was being traded at $1 per coin, and today it's at 39,000, which means that it has raised its price up by 3.9 million%. If you don't believe in market hype and want to rely on only facts, then this is what Bitcoin has done in only 11 years. Whether you love to invest in the short run or long run, Bitcoin did sensationally better than any other cryptocurrency in the world. We've seen hundreds of cryptocurrencies that increased their price at first, but then they vanished from the market and faced losses. However, nothing like that happened with Bitcoin since it has strengthened its root in the market already. The second biggest reason why you must believe in Bitcoin is its dominance in the market. Since its very launch, Bitcoin was the first ever cryptocurrency launched in the market, and since then, it has strengthened its position like no other cryptocurrency. It's veteran crypto believed by thousands of pro-investors in the world, including Elon Musk and many more. Everyone knows that only Bitcoin has the potential to stay in the market forever and increase its price continuously. There's no other cryptocurrency that has been there in the market like Bitcoin that gives it an edge, an upper hand, that can never let any other cryptocurrency dominate it. Many investors think that Ethereum has better efficiency, scalability, and speed than Bitcoin, but still today, Ethereum has not been able to dethrone Bitcoin. This becomes a very good example to know the dominance works for Bitcoin. Whether Bitcoin continues to be ahead of Ethereum or not, the belief investors have in Bitcoin is enough for it to stay in the market on top of the list. If no one is willing to give up on any cryptocurrency, how can it be dominated by anything else? This is the market rule that becomes the backbone behind Bitcoin's sensational performance and price hike since its launch. Apart from the dominance, Bitcoin has another feature no other cryptocurrency can ever have. Its market cap is half the size of total crypto market capitalization. This has always been the market rule. If anything comes in the market first, it creates its own space in the market and even in the hearts. Bitcoin did the same, and it has been successful in possessing half the crypto market capitalization. What it really means is, if all other cryptocurrencies in the world, which are 16,499 in number, combined together, they won't be able to dethrone Bitcoin from its number one position. This might seem normal, but for the investors, this is a precise sign of believing once again in Bitcoin. Being on the top of the list, having half of the total crypto market capitalization, and performing sensationally gives us the hint why Bitcoin must be our top pick. Here's another upper hand that only Bitcoin has. It's being used practically as the alternative to paper currency. Cryptocurrencies were created to have an alternative to paper currencies, but except Bitcoin, no other altcoin has succeeded in doing so. Bitcoin's being used to send money, to shop, and as an investment option. Tesla started accepting Bitcoin to sell its cars online, and tens of people gave orders using Bitcoin as the payment option. Even many businesses and companies are adapting Bitcoin since they cost fewer taxes and give authority to the users. This is the market rule. If something is being used widely, its demand will be even higher in the market, which means its price will increase dramatically. At this point, analysts have given the good news that in 2022, Bitcoin has the potential to increase its price up to $100,000. Jumping from 39,000 to 100,000 is a price increase of 2.5 times, which is pretty precise and accurate. If you invest $5,000 today in Bitcoin, they will make 12.5 in 2022, which is a direct profit of 250% in only a few months. If there is a reason why people are loving Bitcoin and why it's continuously dominating the market is, the governments support it. Bitcoin is decentralized, which means that no authority can control it and its price. There is no one who can manually do so since the power has been given to every single investor from around the world. If you hold only the 100th fraction of Bitcoin, you have the power to affect its price. This is what cryptocurrencies let you do. But all this is apparently against the government since the government does not have any kind of control over it. This gives us a notion that governments would go against Bitcoin and even restrain people from investing in it. However, the truth is, governments are supporting Bitcoin themselves and encourage people to invest in it indirectly. No cryptocurrency can indeed be controlled by any authority or government, however, it needs the government's permission to work in any country. If there is a cryptocurrency that has been approved legally in almost every country of the world, it's Bitcoin. The reason is that Bitcoin has high security protocols that can't be breached by any person in the whole world. It's more secure, efficient, and safe than any other cryptocurrencies, and that gives it an edge in the market. There is no proof that any country's government itself is investing in Bitcoin directly, but according to news from insiders, it's believed that governments of various countries have invested in Bitcoin already. If major authorities, celebrities, and pro-investors invest in Bitcoin, it will never lose its position and decrease its price. A whole network of investors and authorities can be behind Bitcoin that will never let it lose its price. We've seen this already when Elon Musk was directly affecting Bitcoin's price. This is a great and potential sign of why investing in Bitcoin is the safest and most profitable opportunity to make money. Last but not least is, Bitcoin has a massive future ahead of it. With every passing day, Bitcoin users and investors are increasing, and out of them, the majority are elites and powerful people. What it really means is, sooner or later, these people are going to put pressure on authorities and governments to declare Bitcoins as the new method of payment all around the world. If this happens, Bitcoin will never stop. It will dominate everything and its price will increase every second. No cryptocurrency can ever do so, but when we talk about Bitcoin, this seems possible. So when would you like to invest in Bitcoin? After watching this video? Don't be shy to comment right below. What did you think about Bitcoin before this video? Well, now it'd be your favorite pick, right? Also, if you don't want to miss more helpful and insightful videos about the crypto news and updates, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Until the next video, stay tuned.